Hello and welcome to this lesson. Now in this lesson I'm going to show you how to detail a round column. Okay, we're going to work on the links. We're also going to work on the our vertical bars, but let me show you in a very easy way. The 2024-2025 makes it very easy, and new features are brought in, and that makes working with complex shapes and elements very easy. So I'm going to show you that. Down here you can see the curved beam. If you want to know how the curved beam was detailed, it's in my previous lesson. Go there and then I'll show you how it works. Great. Now back in here you can select it, but let me select this column element and come to override graphics in view. I say element, and then I'm going to increase the surface transparency to about 20. Apply and then say okay. Okay, so now my column is a bit transparent. It makes it easy for me to work around. Now I select this element, the round column, and then I'll say rebar. Now when the rebar is chosen, I'm going to go with the freeform. You see, these other two options are disabled. Okay, so for my stirrups I'm going to go for 10 mm. Let me move to the top. Workshop instruction say keep straight, so I will choose bend because I'm going to work on the stirrups. Then style, instead of standard I'm going for stirrups. Okay, now for my stirrups, do I have hooks? Yes, my stirrups at the meeting point I have 135 at start and then at end. Okay, this one is applied. My spacing is 200 and I think I'm good to go. Now before I pick my path, first thing you do is that select the various size of curvature. See, this is first half, this is the second half of it. Okay, then now when you are done, you come back here to click on the path. Then on the path, you see you have these two lines separating or like indicating the diameter, this straight orange line. So click on any one of them. So I choose this one of them and then I will say finish. Then in less than no time you have your stirrups showing beautifully like that. Okay, stirrups are showing beautifully like this. Now let's do the vertical bars. Okay, we are done with this. Let's do the vertical bars. So for the vertical bars, this is what I do. I come in to select the round column. I will say rebar. Then with the rebar, we are still using the align and also for the freeform. Now I want to go by the same. Okay, this is straight and it's standard. Here I have to decide the number of bars I need. Let's say fixed number, and I want, let's say 10. Let me go for 8. I think 8 is fine. So let me go for 8, and I'm using 16 mm. So let me go with my 16 mm. Now the first thing you do is now to pick on the face of the elements you want. So I click on this first half, I click on the second half, and then you now choose the path. When the path is chosen, don't click on the first one. First one will let it work as if you are working on the cells. The second, if you want to choose the path, come to the lower edge of it. So I click here, then I click on the second edge here, the curvature. Okay, then when you are done, you say finish, and then you see that you have your 8 rebar 16 going straight through it, and it's perfect. The rest of it is just arranging them, manipulating. Those ones are very easy, but this is how the round columns are shown. Once again, when you check the description, I have a full total course on the Revit structure 2024-2025, from the modeling stage to the advanced stage, where you will start documenting. Like, you will model everything, detail it, annotate it perfectly, and then also you will do the documentation. You pack them on a sheet. I'll show you how to do all those stuff from beginning, from the foundation level. I mean, if I say foundation, I mean from the essential level, from the fundamental level to the advanced level. So click on that. I mean, click on the description. The link is there. it will take you to our course page. And then you can enroll in the course, and then you can have the training at your own pace and at your own time. Now, before you go, remember to subscribe to my channel, and then also press the notification icon, like, and then if you have any comments, if you are trying it and you are struggling, you can either replay it again, or if you want to get expert advice from me, click it in the comment, and then that will be fine. I mean, type it in the comment and I'll be able to respond to it perfectly for you. If you also want to give me thumbs up for a great job done, just type it in the comment or click on the thumb up, so that, I mean, that will encourage me to do more for you. Okay, if you have any other elements that you want me to work on, place it in the comment and I'll be able to support you with that.